In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Strava app on Android. Whether you're brand new to Android or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to launch Strava, plus a couple of reliable alternatives if the icon isn't where you expect. First, start by unlocking your Android phone so you're on your home screen. This is the main screen you see after entering your passcode, pattern, or using your fingerprint. From here, you can try to open Strava in two common places: the home screen or the app drawer. The home screen may already have the Strava icon, which typically appears as an orange square with a stylized white mark. If you don't see it there, open your app drawer. On most Android devices, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen. The app drawer is simply the full list of apps installed on your device. Once you're in the app drawer, scroll until you find the Strava icon. When you see it, tap it once, just a single tap. The app will open, and you'll know it launched when you see Strava's welcome or home screen. If you can't find the Strava app right away, don't worry. There are two quick methods to help you locate it. The first is to use search. Swipe up to open the app drawer, then look for the search bar at the top. It may have a magnifying glass icon or say, search your phone or search apps. Tap the search bar, type Strava, and wait a moment for the result to appear. When you see Strava in the results, tap it to open. Another reliable option is to open Strava from the Google Play Store. Find and open the Google Play Store app on your phone. In the search field at the top, type Strava and run the search. On the Strava app page, you should see an Open button if the app is already installed on your device. Tap Open, and Strava will launch right away. If you don't see an Open button, that usually means the app isn't currently installed on your phone. That's it. To recap, unlock your phone, check your home screen, or open the app drawer and tap the Strava icon. If it's not easy to spot, use the built-in search to find it quickly, or open it directly from the Google Play Store. Follow these simple approaches and you'll be inside Strava and ready to go in just a few seconds.